welcome to Adarsh's kitchen. Our today's dish is attached with a lot of childhood memories. Oh, Sunday mornings, puri chane, ya kulche with Punjabi chole. And white chane, as it is a great source of protein, calcium, magnesium, iron, vitamin B6.
एक ते पंजाबी
So let's
तो
see
इन्ने
how we
क्यूट
make healthier.
नहीं मेरा
tastier
मतलब स्वाद छोलियां दी गल हो रही है ना
2 cup सफ़ेद चने. I had soaked it overnight with 2 tea bags and बहुत सारे खड़े मसाले, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, red dried chili, peppercorns, and if you have black cardamom, we can add that as well. This I will now put to boiling with 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon soda for about 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. Give it 1 whistle and then close the gas and open when cold. अब हमारे सफ़ेद चने बॉईल हो चुके हैं और देखो इसमें कितना ब्यूटीफुल कलर आ रहा है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको स्ट्रेन कर लेंगे. स्ट्रेन करके इसमें जो खड़े मसाले हैं वो हम निकाल लेंगे. अब ये जो पानी है इसका कितना खूबसूरत कलर है, वाह. इसको हम यूज़ करेंगे जब चने को तड़का लगा रहे होंगे. जैसे ही चने सूखते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा तो इसको हम थोड़ा थोड़ा करके डालते रहेंगे. तो सबसे पहले हम डालेंगे 1 टेबलस्पून ऑयल. मेरा हमेशा यही कोशिश होती है कि घी यूज़ करती हूँ पर कम से कम. मीडियम गैस पे ये प्याज को हमने ग्रेट करा हुआ है. तो onions are half done. Now I will add 1 spoon of garlic. Onions need not be done fully बिकॉज हमें इसका मीठापन चाहिए थोड़ा सा. अभी मैं इसमें कोई मसाले इसलिए नहीं डाल रही हूँ, वो मैं देसी घी के साथ एक फाइनल तड़का करूँगी. नाउ आई विल ऐड टमेटोज, 1 spoon salt, and ginger. I usually add in most of my dishes tomato and ginger together. I do not add it with garlic क्योंकि garlic ginger का टेस्ट आना चाहिए. So in this we will add ये जो चने का स्टॉक था. हमारे प्याज और टमाटर दोनों अच्छे से बन गए हैं. We can see the oil leaving the masala. Now to this I will add boiled चने. So बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ यहाँ पे ये है कि चने को हम ऐसे करके नहीं करें ताकि खिले रहें. नीचे से उठा के ऐसे. So about 5 to 7 minutes till it starts boiling and the water and chane should mix together. The water should not stand out. My mom and then my husband's mom, they were expert at making delicious मसालेदार पंजाबी छोले. इसमें मैं एक अपनी सीक्रेट बताऊंगी. Something which my mom and my mother-in-law they used to do, and that is add 1/2 teaspoon of soya sauce. Already the color is very good, so we increase the color of it. अब जाहिर सी बात है कि चने बना रहे हैं तो चना मसाला बहुत ज़रूरी है. अब कभी ऐसा होता है कि चना मसाला we don't have it available at home. So what we do is we dry roast the whole spices like cinnamon, cloves, choti ilaichi, badi ilaichi, if we have dried ginger, jeera, ajwain, red chilies, rock salt, whatever is at home, but I would say the most important being anardana, so that thoda sa khatas bhi aaye. You can dry roast it and freshly grind it.
ਚਲੋ ਸ਼ੁਕਰ ਹੈ ਗ੍ਰਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੋਰੀ ਡੰਡਾ ਕੁੱਟਣਾ ਪਏਗਾ।
जो उसका अरोमा होता है, it is unmatchable. And we can press at the ones at the bottom. So now we are ready to give it tadka according to your choice. This is entirely up to you. In the bazaar they put 4 kadchiyan, the big ones, like full cup. So I added now only 2 tablespoons. This is the actual magic. So in goes red chili powder. Before we put red chili powder, we make sure that it is not hot at all, because it can burn. So this is my magic masala which I made specially for Chennai. 1 spoon of coriander powder, garam masala, mango powder, about I would say 2 teaspoons, little salt, black pepper, half teaspoon, and this is my all-time favorite, that is the dried methi leaves powder. We call it kasuri methi. And my 2 green chilies. So I will fry this, roast them. I have to be very, very careful that the masalas don't burn. So since it's a little thick, I will add some water to it, about 2 tablespoons. And I will add this in a serving bowl. तो हमारा चने आ गए हैं डिश में, एंड तड़के का मसाला इज ऑल्सो रेडी. So this I will just pour over it. So now we will garnish the chickpeas. This is the way I like, and I do it for my family, that cut long onions, and I put the mango pickle on it. So that changes the taste, and garnish with dhania patta. We can also put some ginger, long cut, and even add paneer to it, fresh cubes of paneer. So now we go in for the tasting. Aao ji.
Wow, my all-time favorite food. I just love this. Let me taste. Nice and hot. Lovely. Some more. Amazing job. Really very good.
So आज
बिल्कुल
माँ की याद आ
माँ
गई.
की याद आ गई. Enjoy and don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe.